Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I praise Allah, Honorable Chairman, respected teachers and guardians, my dear brothers and sisters. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. I introduce myself to you. My name is Rohima Akhtar. My father's name is Abul Bashar. My mother's name is Amin Akhtar. I'm 30 years old. I'm a student. I read in class 6. I studied at Al Falah Dakhil Madrasa. Now I will talk about my madrasa. My madrasa name is Al Falah Dakhil Madrasa. It is a big madrasa. It has 115 students and 10 teachers. It is a standard modern religious institution. Here the students are given good education. The quality of education in my madrasa is very good. My madrasa has weekly education seminar classes every Thursday. Apart from studies, my madrasa arranges Qiraat, Hamnat, Islamic music, sports competitions, etc. My madrasa organizes a mahfil every year and we enjoy it a lot. It is the only Dakhil institution in my area where I can get general subjects as well as religious education. So that I like my madrasa very much. Thank you all for listening to me for a long time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.